If you're a teen driver in Massachusetts or a parent helping one get started, the full driver education bundle is the most complete, straightforward path to a license that we offer. This bundle checks every single box the Massachusetts RMV requires. It includes the full 30-hour classroom program, 15 two-hour sessions covering traffic laws, defensive driving, road sharing, adverse conditions, the effects of alcohol and drugs, emergency maneuvers, and more. It also includes the 2-hour parent and guardian class, which is required for parents of new teen drivers. Beyond the classroom, you'll complete 12 hours of behind-the-wheel instruction and 6 hours of in-car observation, all with our certified instructors in our dual-controlled vehicles. Once every component is complete, the Next Street submits your results directly to the Massachusetts RMV, and your driver education certificate is issued. The certificate is required to schedule your road test if you are under 18. Here's the eligibility timeline. You can sign up anytime, but you must be at least 15 years and 9 months old to begin classroom instruction. You don't need a permit to start class. Once you have your permit, Massachusetts requires teens to hold it for at least 6 months and be at least 16 and a half years old before becoming eligible for the road test. You'll also need to complete 40 additional hours of supervised practice driving at home. Classroom sessions are offered on weekday evenings, weekends, and during school vacation weeks. Driving and observation appointments are available 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. We recommend spacing lessons 1 to 2 weeks apart to allow to practice in between sessions. Everything is managed through your student portal. We recommend finishing all components at least 2 weeks before your planned test date to allow time for RMV processing. The Next Street, the easiest road to your license.